Hi, I'm Sam and I'm here with my colleague Andrew, and we're from the Markets and Investment team at Reyker. We're going to talk to you today about our mining sector kick-out plan, but also about the mining sector in general. And Andrew here is going to start us off, and maybe you can tell me a bit about how the market's been doing in the past year or so.
Sure. Well, during 2013 we saw quite a heavy decline amongst a lot of the mining stocks, mainly due to the slowdown in the emerging market economies, reduction in demand from places like China, which saw obviously heavy declines for particularly gold miners such as Randgold Resources, silver miners, Fresnillo, which pretty much all came back over 50%, which is obviously pretty negative for investor performance. However, we are starting to see pretty good return in value for shareholders this year, following pretty much a JP Morgan report at the beginning of January, which indicated that those miners that are particularly well diversified and have quite a large cash generation will likely to see good returns over the next few years.
Is there any names in particular then that are doing well, or from
the ones that were particularly mentioned in the report were Rio Tinto, BHP Billiton and
Glencore
Resources. Yeah.
No, it's interesting you should mention that, because our structured product is based on Glencore, Xstrata and Rio Tinto, and I know Rio Tinto was doing really well recently, so I'll talk a little bit about the product as well. It's a 14% headline growth rate. It's a defensive plan, so even if the markets are on the upward trend, it can still go down and you'll still achieve growth, so that's a really positive sign. And how about any other investment ideas, not just structured product wise, but
I mean, from an investment point of view, if investors are looking for single stock equities, we on our discretionary team, for example, we're quite supporters of a number of the different stocks, including, as you said, Rio Tinto, Glencore, Xstrata, well-known names. In particular, we see probably a comeback in gold prices this year as the global economy improves. So I think in terms of single stock equities, good, and there'll also be plenty of ETFs and other funds that invest in base resource miners that investors may well consider as well.
Yeah. So if you are interested in any of our single stocks, or even ETFs, or even the structured product, please feel free to contact us at www.reyker.com, or you can ring us on 0207 397 2580, or if you want a structured product, 2590. Remember, the close date for the structured product is the 14th of February. So happy watching.